Our guest for the afternoon is Alka Kalra, an established artist of the city who's known for her work on roadside dhabas and also creating a lot of other works in art and not just on canvas. So, hi Alka.
Hi.
Good to have you with us. So, tell us a little about your creative journey, which has been in Chandigarh for many years now.
Yeah. Parul, I started my painting seriously from 2005 onwards.
Okay.
Before that, as a child, in my childhood, I used to paint.
Okay.
So in 2005, when I left my job, I picked up painting because I thought I must do something which I can sit back at home and do.
Okay.
And in 2006, I sent my entry where I got the Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy Award.
Okay.
So that was a very big motivation for me
Yes.
because I am a non-trained, self-taught artist.
Okay.
So I used to think that I'm going to compete with the professional artists who are, qualified in this particular field. But after getting the award, and I thought, yeah, I have a potential and I must exploit it doing it.
Okay.
So then I trained myself also, attended some workshops through internet, through tutorials.
Okay.
I kept on reading. I used to visit arts college, see how the practicals go and everything. And I started painting. I painted Buddha. I painted flowers. I painted nature, which in the long run, Fortis bought, Nirvana Spa bought, and I worked for different corporates also at that level.
In the field of art?
In the field of art itself, I used to paint for corporates. They were given, gave me some themes. I worked on those themes, and that's how my journey started like that.
Right.
So in 2010, when I went to Manali, I was having my kind of a snacks time in sitting in Jan Falls in Manali. And I just looked at the dhaba. It was so picturesque, so beautiful.
Okay.
And it came to my mind, why not to sketch it? I just sketched it on black and white.
There and then?
There and then.
Okay.
And when I came back, I thought of converting into a painting. So I painted 2 dhabas and they was bought by Chandigarh Tourism at that time.
Okay.
And then my journey for dhaba started.
Okay, so that's how the dhaba series.
Yeah,
and you
exactly.
paint only roadside dhabas.
I paint only roadside dhabas because the theme behind it, the idea behind it was that roadside dhaba is a very much part and parcel of a life.
Right.
Whenever we move, whenever we travel, we have tea, snacks, everything, and then we forget it.
Right.
Nobody notices what all is around dhaba.
Okay.
So I went on a particular dhaba, spent some time, talked to the people there.
Okay.
What is their life? What utensils they are, using, and what kind of chullas they are burning and everything.
Okay.
And when I traveled all over India, what I could find was all the glasses, all the mugs, all the chullas were the same. Only thing is the ambience changes.
अच्छा, वो चाय वाले जो
वो
glass
चाय वाले ग्लास
they
होते
remain the
हैं
same.
एग्जैक्टली वो 2 रुपए वाले ग्लास वो हर जगह वही होते हैं.
Right, but the human element in your paintings is much lesser, especially the dhaba series.
See, while painting, there's a thought process. One is you give a complete shape to a dhaba.
Right.
A person is standing, doing something, or utensils are there. Another thing is that you reduce your composition to the minimalistic elements.
Right.
I took up another part.
Okay.
I thought, painting a dhaba, making the people sit around and, having food, that is a typical dhaba. Why not to convert to transition, transit your painting into some minimalistic elements? Let me take 5-6 elements, keep on changing, their compositions, play with negative and positive spaces, and convey my message to them.
Okay.
So I conveyed my message either through the boards or to the menu cards which are placed behind.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
और वो particular intent जिसमें एक निकली एक लगी
That's
होती
right,
है,
that's right.
something like that, or through the chullas, or through the fire, or the धुआं which comes out of this thing.
Yes.
Now I am evolving my dhaba into the streetscapes.
Okay.
I went into particular interiors of Punjab, जिसमें पतली पतली गलियां, 2 cycles ही इकट्ठे चल पाती हैं.
That's right.
In that, there is a store of chappal, there is a store of panwala, there is a dhaba, mochi sitting there. So I'm trying to capture those streetscapes which are major elements of dhaba in it, and converting my dhaba to the micro to the macro level.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So now the human elements will start walking on the roads.
Okay.
Like
So
that.
that's how you will incorporate
Yeah,
the human element.
exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
And what is your medium of work, Alka, especially in the dhaba series?
Dhaba is where I'm using acrylic. I work on canvas with acrylic. That is the medium I'm using.
Right.
Yeah.
But you're also doing pottery and you're doing other artistic
Very right.
creations. So how did that happen from painting to that?
See, I am very fond of painting. I don't restrict myself painting to a particular theme. As I told you, I've painted nature, I've done so much work.
That's right.
And I take a pride of saying that I'm a versatile artist. I can work on any kind of medium. I can work on oil, I can work with fabric.
Right.
So an idea of getting into the designer clothing was something which you don't get in and around Chandigarh. In the Tri-City, you don't get that kind of a store.
Right.
And something which is totally hand painting. Maybe if I convert my painting of canvas of Buddha into a dupatta.
Okay.
So that is something very smart wear and art you can wear.
So the roadside dhabas, you've now moved into Punjab.
Yeah.
But you've traveled all over the country. So
Yeah.
what was the difference in the dhabas when you painted that you noticed? And it must have all occurred in your work as
Yeah.
well. What you saw.
Yeah. In Sikkim, when we went to West Bengal and Sikkim,
Okay.
what they do is their dhabas are very neat and clean. They're not messy as in Punjab and
Okay.
Haryana.
Okay.
Because the cleanliness is a part of their culture.
Right.
So even a lady who's running a dhaba is properly dressed up.
Okay.
So once I asked the dhaba person, ki, why your dhabas are so neat and clean? Says
Okay.
it's in our culture.
Okay.
If anything goes wrong, if anything is shabby out in the dhaba, nobody will come and have a
Okay.
tea or snacks here.
And you've painted that as
I've
well.
painted the Bengali newspapers lying down their chulas
Okay.
and they put their chulas.
Okay.
And what they do, एक different सा culture है. Like morning they come, वो अपना laid up करेंगे. They'll put all the newspapers. और जब एक newspaper में थोड़ा सा भी stink आ जाता है, they'll change that newspaper.
Right, right.
So don't have any, this thing. It's so neat and clean and everything. And if you look around the dhaba for Punjab, वो typical lights लगी होती हैं.
Yes,
है ना वो
yes,
जगी
yes.
का ढाबा.
Which we see in your works.
Yeah, वो
Yes.
trees बने होते हैं, वो फूल बने होते हैं.
That's right.
वो in and around chairs पड़ी होती हैं.
Okay.
So thing is the elements are the same. The kettle is the same anywhere, whether you go to Srinagar, whether you go to Sikkim or any other place. It's the same. Fire is the same, chula is the same. Typical of Punjab हो जाता है when you go आपके वो पीपे वाले चूल्हे बन जाते हैं.
Okay.
I've painted a पीपे वाला चूल्हा in 3x4 canvas.
Okay.
So it became
Okay.
very popular.
Okay.
So वो पीपे वाले canvas not found anywhere.
अब तो नहीं मिलते.
अब नहीं मिलते. वो पंजाब में interiors में villages में अभी भी मिल
Which
जाते
you
हैं.
have painted.
Very
Okay,
right, very
okay.
right.
And how's the journey been so far, especially in a place like Chandigarh?
It had been really, really wonderful when I started with dhaba. So some people also talked to me, आप क्या paint कर रहे हो? But I have always painted which is entirely different. So I thought, no, whatever I feel like I'll paint that. I won't restrict because as an artist, I don't restrict myself not to a medium, nor to any kind of a particular thing what people like.
Okay.
So I think if you paint with confidence, with your passion, with your own original compositions, people obviously like to,
Okay.
they like it, they buy it. So in this journey, I got Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy Award. I got participation in Punjab Lalit Kala. I got a participation in IFIX and in National through my this dhaba series only.
Okay.
So I think it's very popular, and now I really want to convert it to a particular level. Which I want to paint a canvas maybe which is 6 feet by 7 feet.
Okay.
Where's a big streetscape,
Okay.
lot of dhaba elements with the road. You feel like you should walk into the road.
Okay. Okay.
It should be painted like that, life-size figures, life-size everything, maybe 8 by 8 canvas, something like that.
Okay.
And I want to take up this challenge of painting it because it is in my mind.
Right.
So people should see that a normal element can be a very beautiful painting. So why not to take up something which nobody else is doing?
Okay. Okay.
Right?
Right.
So this was the idea again, behind Roadside Dhaba also. So people have liked it. People, come and say, you are Alka, आप Roadside Dhaba paint कर दो. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि,
Right.
this Roadside Dhaba has created a niche for me in artistic journey.
Right. Right. And so this will be your new work now? That's what
This will
you're
be,
planning?
this will be my new work.
Okay. Okay.
And,
And something else that you're working on along
I
the
have
side
opened up
is
an art studio where I am trying to make art very popular amongst people. I'm entering into a segment of very affordable art. I'll just brief you in 1 minute. I'm entering into painting of, fabric, painting on pottery, making, some kind of tables where dhaba is painted around.
Okay.
Maybe some kind of cushions where dhaba is painted around.
Okay, so-
Taking dhaba into different elements, which is very affordable.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, so as to make art popular, people should fetch art. उनको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि 50,000 से painting start हो रही है. So something starting from 1,000 onwards.
Right,
So it should move into the life of people. If once art moves into the life of people, people obviously come back to you.
Yes.
Or art becomes, because in any city, in any culture where art had been very popular, that civilization, that city has grown up to a very big extent.
True, true,
So why not to make art a part of somebody's,
Life. Yeah.
common man's life?
That's right.
है ना?
But as an artist who's now been established, do you ever feel a lack of formal training in art?
No, not really, Parul. I'm very happy not getting formally trained because I've seen people getting themselves restricted either into drawings or something. मेरे मन में जो भी आता है मैं वो करती हूँ. Now I'm fully trained as well as medium is concerned, as well as drawing is concerned. I capture myself. Now I know this thing, knack of it, ki how to, train yourself.
Right,
And I'm
right.
very much trained. But that formal training has not restricted me to a particular this thing.
Wonderful.
So I'm very happy that I am a free artist
Okay.
who knows all the technicalities of a
Right,
medium
right,
and everything.
right.
But mentally I'm very free to paint anything.
Okay. And you're obviously learning as you paint and
Very
as you
right,
grow.
very right.
And you also teach students.
Very
so that
right.
must be a learning experience.
Very exactly.
Great. Thank you so much. It was
Welcome.
wonderful talking to you. Thank
Same
you.
here. Right.